The other film of the week is Babli Bouncer, which is released on Disney Hotstar. With a title like Babli Bouncer, you don't really know what to expect. But to a degree, it pleasantly surprises you because of its simplicity. Of course, there is nothing groundbreaking in this film. It pretty much ticks all the boxes. Madhur Bhandarkar made a mark with his social films. This one is not remotely hard-hitting, but there is an attempt to make a point. The star of the film though is Tamanna Bhatia, who plays the lead role with such panache that you want to watch more of her. The story is set in Haryana. She is her father's pet and the father is played by Saurabh Shukla. Babli is not very educated. She is barely 8th pass or rather 10th pass, one of those two things, and yet she is a very aspirational woman. The parents of course want to marry her off, and being in Haryana, that is pretty much the norm. Her father is also somebody who trains all those wrestlers that have made Haryana famous. Now Babli wants to do something different in life. She manages to get a job as a bouncer at a nightclub in Delhi. Well, she is a tough woman, all right, and she proves her point. Now there are two men in her life. There is one played by Abhishek Bajaj. He is a suave corporate kind of a guy whom Babli loves, and the other guy is played by Sahil Vaidya, who is a nice dear friend of hers, but she doesn't have feelings for him. So it is a triangle of sorts. Now whom will Babli prefer? Well, that is for you to watch. All in all, as I mentioned earlier, the star of the film is Tamanna Bhatia. She has done a terrific job here, and even when the screenplay falters, which it does more than once, she raises the bar considerably high. We've seen her before, but we've never seen such a performance, and because of Tamanna Bhatia's performance, which is one of the best I've seen this year, I'm going to recommend this film called Babli Bouncer, and I'll go with 3 out of 5 stars for this new film which is released on Disney Hotstar. Well, that's what I thought of the films that were released this week. Let us know what you think. If there's any series or film that you would like me to review, well, do let us know. Do write into us. Our address is features@prudentmedia.in. And I'll be back with you next week with more movie reviews. Till then, it's goodbye from me.